Alright, we are back. Oh, fuck. My internet's gonna be shit. I'm doing this on a hotspot. The fuck? Okay. Well, we did trade yesterday. However, the video did not turn out well because I was getting interrupted a bunch. So, that was not fun. We did load up on a few more 50K accounts because we gotta get these things moving. I'm actually going to clear this. I'm gonna make this account my lead account. Let's see, we got 776. And let's just add 800, 881. And then we'll keep the other two fresh ones. I don't know why that allows me to do that, but yeah. Alright, there we go. So I haven't looked at anything today, but this is from a small little Asia trade that wasn't too important. Oh my god, what the hell is going on? Bunch of scalps and shit. I should have got rid of all that earlier, but I was just charting a bunch, marking everything. Alright, so pre-market. Let's see what we're looking at. Looks like we're gonna want to take out this liquidity. We already took out this one. That was a previous. So yeah, it looks like we're just gonna hit all these actually. But we will see. Maybe we can get a reversal. But it's just damn. Got a lot of liquidity to the downside. So this is nothing. I wouldn't consider that anything. That we can work with, really. I believe that was, yeah, just a 4-hour high. So we did take out these highs as well, which is actually looking like we are gonna be going for shorts today. Because of that, yeah, we took out this high. Didn't take out that high. If we did take it out on ES, that might be beautiful. Might be beautiful to work with. So let's see, 4-hour. As you could tell, I am very, very energetic. Previous week high. Okay, let's zoom out a little bit. Okay, so that's not any SMT because it got taken out by both. And lower low, yeah, okay, that's nothing, but that doesn't mean much. We are still going to be looking for shorts just because of this rejection off of this high time frame liquidity, and then we're going to be targeting all these lows that I mentioned before. So we are just on a slow grind down. I mean, yeah, there's just a lot to target to the downside, but let's see if we can look for anything in particular that's giving us some good confirmation. So yeah, I would say shorts Okay, so we did reject off that. Same as M and Q, we both rejected off of this fair value gap. Completely respected it. So I would want to take shorts possibly on ES just because of this extra fair value gap that we have here. Because there's only one here on MNQ, but there's two here, meaning that I would like to see it go to that level. But if we wanted to do that here, it wouldn't work as well because, yeah. That also could be a target where we take off size, would be these lows. I probably marked that out actually. 412. Oh, that's so far down though. Yeah. 413. These lows are first. So, oh, shit, how did I do that? So yeah, we are gonna be looking for shorts unless we can get any other confirmation because it's just very, very bearish. I mean, we've made one high, and that was Asia market. Why did I mark that out? That must have been a daily. Yeah, because it did reject off of that. Okay. So let's just get rid of this shit. And look at all these lows that we still haven't taken out since I marked those, which was, what, 2 weeks ago? Last week? My first video? Something like that. And we did create even more lows. And these are a lot of equal lows, which is, or not equal, but what's it called? Low resistance liquidity. You know, I wouldn't even mind too if these two got taken out and then we did get something confirming a reversal, because that would be good to target. I mean, we could put our stops like under here maybe. So we take these two out. Maybe like NASDAQ does take it out. Let's see. That would be ideal. Let's mark these out on trading view, just so we can visualize it a little bit better. Yeah, there's just so much to the downside that looks like it's gonna want to take today. Man, yeah, it looks like we're just gonna get a reversal and just swap liquidity. High time frame pre-market, Asia market, London market. Oh, that happened on Friday. Oh, this actually happened in New York. So yeah, it could just seem like we're just gonna trend down. Rejecting off of these 2 points is pretty good. Oh my god. I look so sleepy. I am sleepy. I need some water. I'm still a little jet lagged. So yeah, we're just gonna see what we can get here. We're not gonna get any entry off of this little shit volume. So yeah, we got this. I don't think that's gonna affect us too much. 4 p.m. This is on freaking Berlin time. Let's change that. So in 30 minutes that'll come out, but I'm not too worried about that. Am I blind? Fucking no. Fuck it. Oh, they changed that too. Oh my god. Am I blind? Let's see Puerto Rico. I think it's the same time. What the fuck? 4:45. 11 a.m. Okay. Am I tripping? I might be tripping. Whatever. We'll worry about that later. Alright, so we are coming into New York. What now? New York. Let's see what we got. So yeah, overall structure, we are bearish as hell. And we have been for the past like 10 hours, 12 hours. $24 hours probably. Yeah. Making lower lows. Okay. There's New York. So yeah, I just assume we're gonna take out these lows. 486. I'm on NASDAQ twice. Why does it do that? Why do I did that? Oh shit. What high is that? That's nothing. But yeah, that's nothing. Okay, we rejected off of this fair value gap again. What does that mean for us, though? Okay. That is so far away for ES. NASDAQ just took it out. Could be bearish SMT, or sorry, bullish SMT. But we shall see. Because ES could just dump as well, taking all that out. Oh yeah, and tomorrow's FOMC, so sizing is gonna be a little bit different. So yeah, so far we made a lower low on NASDAQ and then didn't make a lower low on ES. So we could get a reversal off of this point, which is why I'm not looking for shorts immediately. I think we are just gonna take these out. I mean, That would be high time frame bullish SMT if we take these out and ES doesn't. But it's also going against our trend so far, so we will see. We will wait and see. SMT at the lows. This seems like a reversal point, honestly. To me, this seems like the bottom, but we're going to wait for more confirmation. We're going to wait for a possible entry point. Because, yeah, we did break structure on ES. We probably could have taken that as an entry. That fair value gap after break of structure, after high time frame liquidity sweep. I might be inclined to take this one just because I see a reversal. I mean, let's see how we react off of this fair value gap and this. I mean, that's just an hourly high, I imagine. We'd probably put our stops here. So yeah, I mean, we would be targeting much higher than this high as well, but we would just probably take a profit there. Let's see, let's wait for a little bit longer. You can size light on this. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. Yes. Damn, did it already hit it? Did it hit it while I was switching? No, it didn't. Okay. 6852. Why is that? Yeah, so that would have been an ideal entry right here. Maybe I would take an entry off MNQ, but our stops at the lows. I think I might do that, just targeting this high. That might be better, because we could just keep our stops at the lows. It's still the same trade, but this has a lot more drawdown. Okay.
Order filled.
I just see a reversal happening from here. Break a structure on ES. I don't know if it's the best idea to take it on the index that is not as bullish. But yeah, that is a 1-to-1. I would say that would be around our final take profit. 638. We'll take a bunch of size off. Let's go with half our size. Cause yeah, I mean, in this market, we are just gonna be going for smaller moves because of the volume dying down, because there's not gonna be much to work with. So I'd say let's get rid of most of our size here. That'll be like, I think like $300 to $400, something like that. And then okay. So yeah, that would have just been an ideal entry off of 6582. But it still hasn't left us yet, whereas we already have gotten a good ideal trade. Here, we could move our stops even to 688. Yeah, I think that might be. No, okay, let's just keep our stops where it's at the lows. Keep that there.
Order filled.
Okay, there we go.
Order filled.
There's most of our size off. That was a good catch. A good high time frame reversal that we caught there. So, and then we are only risking we're only risking profits, so that is a green trade no matter what. So at this high, we'll put another take profit, and then at this high we'll take a take profit. I don't know if I want to target all these highs. It's from last week, huh? I guess we can see what we're working with. Cause yeah, price action just yeah, we'll set it a little smaller. Okay, let's scale down, see what we're working with. If we should move our stops to break even, maybe under these lows. I don't know, let's just keep it. I mean, I've been doing that too often, getting too eager and then moving my stop losses. Let's see what ES is working with. Oh, damn. Okay, fill that, reject off that. That would be nice. Beautiful. So yeah, maybe that was the smarter trade, just because the RR on NASDAQ was much better, because what we entered at 9.3, 30-point stop loss. If we entered off ES, our stop loss at the lows would be 5 points. Let's see. I think so. I think we made the right decision with that. Let's do that short position shit. Sorry, long position. 9.3. I seriously never know how to do this. Yeah, I mean, that was the smarter decision. And it's not like we even would have got our ideal entry anyway, because the stop was just 1.18, 1.68. Yeah. So yeah, we did make the correct decision, and that was a beautiful rejection off of that fair value gap. That 1 minute, that would have been the only thing really holding us back. And I mean, we still haven't even broke structure on the 1 minute. Everything's looking pretty beautiful so far. What do we think, guys? Do we want to move our stops? Let's see how that 1 minute reacts. It could just be filling a gap. Yeah, we'll keep it at the lows. That's okay. And then if we make a high, if we go to the highs here, then we will move our stops to maybe 585. Because this 1 minute held up pretty nicely. Fair value gap. If we did size up, we would have caught, we would have halfway passed this account, but no matter. I ain't worried because of the price action on weeks like this where it's just a bunch of news, FOMC. Dude, next week is fucked as well. I am okay with this. Yeah, as well as the job opening thing coming out in 15 minutes, but we've already de-risked everything. Maybe if it gets closer to that level without hitting the highs, we'll move our stops, maybe like 10 points higher, something like that. We could even do that now, like right there. Just risking a little bit less, not much, but I must be hunched over like a motherfucker right now. God damn it. This is my setup. My cousin's room. I'm on a bed. I'm on a bed right now with a yeah. Wow. Why does it keep even trying? Okay. That's not too good, but we're still waiting. Could just be a nice little sweep of this low. Maybe we're filling a gap. A 5 minute maybe. And we did reject off of this 1 minute. We're just rejecting off both of them. We might put a take profit at, what, 633? Yeah, I'm gonna just do one more. Just in case we blow through that. That's still not too far off of our first take profit. It's only 4-point difference. $8 difference, so if we took it once, we might as well take it again. Damn. How many candles is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times this 1 minute fair value gap has held up. That's actually insane. No. Call me crazy, but I might throw in like a cheeky little one like this. Let's see if we could just target this again. Because it just keeps rejecting off of it.
Order filled. Order filled.
What the fuck? Is this gambling? I mean, rejecting 12 times off of this now, I think, or maybe 11. It's like unbelievable.
Order filled.
No. Oh, that's funny. Horrible RR, guys. Yeah, let's make it a little better. Okay, we are lagging like a motherfucker. I gotta free up some storage or some shit. Wow, that candle closed right under it last second. Okay, we're just gonna ignore that. We're just gonna assume that's gonna get stopped out. Oh, we never hit that other take profit. Wow. 5-minute must be. Yeah, this is just consolidation. I mean, this is crazy. Well, I did like our trade idea, but it looks like we are going to not have it go as far as we wanted. I would have liked for that other take profit to hit, but so be it. Wow. What the fuck? What the hell? Okay, well, I will take that. I'm gonna move that to here because I don't know how this is possible.
Order filled.
Oh, we did end up hitting that. Okay. We're gonna move that down. Let's just go for a lower time frame high. Hourly, I'll take that. Okay. This is stupid.
Order filled.
This is so dumb. So yeah, that was 9 a.m. Whatever. The did get a little bit of a volume boost, but I wouldn't say this is anything crazy. Ah, you asshole. Look at this 1 minute. This is so dumb. So yeah, that news candle didn't do shit. That was it. But I mean, all our size was already off, so I ain't worried. Okay, that was another take profit hit. So yeah, what a beautiful reversal we caught. I guess it's not even a reversal yet. We're still bearish on an hourly even, and I imagine this as well. But who cares about that when we are catching our things? I might exit out. Yeah, I'm gonna exit out just because we did hit this hourly high, and then my full take profit was up here, and we rejected off of this a little bit. So just to be safe, I mean, it's a 30 something difference, so I ain't worried. All right, and well, that was it for the day. I am done. It is 9:04. I have been trading for 45 minutes, and I am very green on all my accounts. Beautiful, beautiful. Literally every single one of my accounts. So that is beautiful. And I didn't mess up and accidentally show my text or my what the hell, or anything else, any personal information. I didn't accidentally do that, but I apologize for the low energy. But peace out, gang.